Don't scroll past this. I'm about to show you how I transformed my backyard into a stunning designer paradise, using only Dollar Tree finds. And my neighbors literally stopped their cars to ask where I hired my landscaper. Today, I'm revealing 10 genius garden hacks that will make your outdoor space look like it belongs in a magazine spread, all for under $50 total. Welcome to Garden Homes. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It means the world to us and helps us bring you more incredible budget transformations like this one. We're creating a gorgeous Mediterranean-style water feature, building professional-looking raised planters that look like they cost hundreds, designing stunning fairy light installations that'll make your evenings magical, crafting elegant garden borders that scream expensive landscaping, and so much more. Every single project uses items you can grab at Dollar Tree right now, and I'm giving you exact materials lists, step-by-step instructions, and my personal tips that took me months to figure out. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to completely transform your garden space into an envy-worthy oasis without breaking the bank. Project 1. Mediterranean Tiered Water Feature. First up is my absolute favorite discovery, and honestly, this one project alone will completely change how your garden feels. I'm talking about creating a stunning Mediterranean-style tiered water feature that looks like it came straight from a luxury resort. Here's exactly what you'll need from Dollar Tree. 3 different sized terracotta saucers for $1 each. 1 small submersible pump from the electronics section for $1.25. A bag of river rocks for $1.25. Waterproof caulk tube for $1.25. And clear plastic tubing from the plumbing section for another $1.25. Let me walk you through this step by step because the technique I'm about to share took me 3 failed attempts to perfect. Start by stacking your saucers from largest to smallest, and you'll need to drill center holes in each one. Make sure you use a masonry bit and go slowly to prevent cracking. Thread your plastic tubing through these holes and connect it to your submersible pump. Here's the key trick I learned the hard way. Seal all your connections with that waterproof caulk and let it cure for a full 24 hours. Don't rush this step like I did the first time. Fill each level with river rocks for natural drainage and that authentic Mediterranean look. Add water and test your pump placement. You might need to adjust the flow rate to get that perfect gentle bubbling sound. Position this beauty among your existing plants for the most authentic Mediterranean villa. The result is absolutely stunning. It looks like a $300 professional water feature installation. The gentle bubbling sound creates such a peaceful atmosphere, and the terracotta gives it that expensive, timeless Mediterranean villa vibe that everyone's obsessing over on Pinterest right now. I actually discovered this hack completely by accident when I knocked over my plant saucers in the garage. My husband thought I'd hired someone when he came home. He couldn't believe I made this for under $7. Now it's become the centerpiece of our entire backyard, and I catch myself just sitting next to it with my morning coffee every single day. Project 2. Designer Raised Planter Boxes. Next, I'm showing you how to create these incredible raised planters that will make your neighbors think you hired a professional landscaping company. These look exactly like those expensive cedar planters, but we're making them for a fraction of the cost. From Dollar Tree, grab 8 rectangular storage baskets for $1.25 each. 2 rolls of faux wood contact paper for $1.25. Heavy-duty double-sided tape for $1.25. Landscape fabric sheets for $1.25. And staple gun staples for $1.25. Here's how we're going to transform these basic storage baskets into designer planters. Arrange your baskets in a rectangular formation, securing them together with that heavy-duty double-sided tape. Make sure you really press those connections firm. These need to hold up to soil weight and weather. Now comes the magic part. Apply that wood grain contact paper for an authentic cedar look. Take your time with this step and smooth out any air bubbles as you go. Line the interior with landscape fabric for proper drainage. This is crucial for plant health, so don't skip this. Drill drainage holes every 6 inches along the bottom. Fill with quality potting soil in your plant selection. I recommend herbs or vegetables for these because the height makes them so easy to tend. Add a mulch top layer for that professional finishing touch that really sells the expensive look. These look exactly like those $150 cedar planters you see at garden centers. The wood grain pattern is so realistic and the height makes them perfect for herbs, vegetables, or cascading flowers. Plus, they're the perfect height for people with back issues. No more bending over to tend your plants. My mother-in-law asked where I ordered these from when she visited last weekend. When I told her Dollar Tree, she made me promise to show her how to make them for her own garden. She's actually coming over this weekend so we can make a set together. That's the thing I love most about these projects. They bring people together and create these wonderful bonding experiences. Project 3. magical fairy light garden canopy. Now let's create some absolute magic with lighting that will transform your outdoor space into something truly enchanting. This project is what really made our backyard feel like a destination rather than just a yard. You'll need 6 strings of battery-powered LED lights for $1.25 each, clear command hooks that are outdoor rated for $1.25 per pack, 4 shepherd's hooks for $1.25 each, timer switches for the lights at $1.25, and weather stripping for protection at $1.25. Position your shepherd's hooks at the corners of your seating area. Install command hooks on existing structures like your house, fence or shed for anchor point. Here's the secret to making this look professional. String your lights in gentle swooping patterns between the hooks, rather than straight lines. This creates that romantic upscale restaurant feel we're going for. Secure all your connections with weather stripping wrap. This protects against moisture and extends the life of your installation. Set those timers for automatic evening activation. Trust me, there's nothing more magical than having your lights come on automatically as the sun sets. Test all connections and adjust the height for perfect ambiance. You want them high enough to walk under comfortably but low enough to create that intimate atmosphere. The transformation when these lights come on at sunset is absolutely breathtaking. It creates this enchanting romantic atmosphere that makes our backyard feel like an upscale restaurant patio. The warm glow reflects off plants and surfaces, creating depth and mystery that just doesn't exist during the day. We had friends over for dinner last week and they spent the entire evening asking about our professional lighting installation. I love that something so simple can create such a magical experience. One friend actually asked for our electrician's number because she assumed we'd had this professionally installed. The look on her face when I told her it was a Dollar Tree DIY project was priceless. Project 4. Professional Garden Border Edging. This next one will blow your mind. Professional-looking garden borders that will give your entire landscape that crisp, finished appearance that screams expensive landscape. Materials from Dollar Tree include plastic placemats in stone pattern for $1.25 per 4-pack, landscape spikes for $1.25 per pack, sand for leveling at $1.25 per bag, a rubber mallet for $1.20, and measuring tape for $1.25. Mark your border lines using spray paint for accuracy. This step is crucial for getting that professional straight line appearance. Dig a shallow trench about 2 inches deep along your marked line. Level the bottom with a sand layer for a stable foundation. This prevents shifting and settling over time. Overlap your placemats slightly for a seamless stone appearance. The pattern on these placemats is surprisingly realistic when installed properly. Secure with landscape spikes every 18 inches. Backfill with soil and mulch for that finished look that ties everything together. The finished borders look exactly like expensive natural stone edging. The pattern is so realistic and it gives your garden beds that crisp professional landscaping appearance that makes such a huge difference in your overall curb appeal. I actually got this idea from a $2,000 landscaping quote. They wanted to charge me ridiculous money for stone borders. This Dollar Tree version looks identical and cost me less than $20 for my entire yard. I saved literally thousands of dollars and got the exact same visual impact. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest one. Project 5. Elegant Vertical Herb Garden Tower. Now I'm going to show you my favorite space-saving solution that maximizes your growing potential in the smallest footprint possible. This is perfect for small yards, patios, or anyone who wants to grow more in less space. Grab 5 large plastic planters with drainage for $1.25 each, PVC pipe that's 3 feet long for $1.25, drill bits for drainage holes at $1.25, potting soil bags for $1.25, and assorted herb seedlings from the grocery section when they're available. Drill additional drainage holes in each planter bottom. You can never have too much drainage when it comes to container gardening. Thread your PVC pipe through the center of all planters vertically. Stack planters with the largest at bottom, staggering the openings so each level gets adequate sunlight. Fill each level with quality potting soil. Plant different herbs at each level based on their sun requirement. Put sun-loving herbs like basil and oregano at the top, and shade-tolerant herbs like parsley and chives at the bottom. Secure your entire tower with a ground stake through the PVC pipe for stability. This creates an absolutely gorgeous vertical garden that looks like those expensive tower planters from specialty garden stores. You get multiple growing zones in the space of one regular planter, and the visual impact is stunning. Plus, harvesting is so much easier when everything is at different heights. My kids love helping me harvest herbs from different levels. They call it our herb apartment building. It's amazing how much we can grow in such a small footprint. We've got fresh basil, oregano, thyme, parsley, chives, and cilantro all growing in the space where we used to have just one regular planter. The productivity increase is incredible. Project 6. Stunning Mosaic Stepping Stone Pathway. This project will add such elegance to your garden paths and create these beautiful focal points that catch light and draw the eye through your landscape. You'll need round concrete stepping stones for $1.25 each, decorative glass gems for $1.25 per bag, grout powder for $1.25, adhesive suitable for outdoor use for $1.25, and sponges for cleanup at $1.25. Clean your stepping stones thoroughly and let them dry completely. Any residue or moisture will prevent proper adhesion. Arrange glass gems in your desired patterns on each stone. Get creative here. Spirals, flowers, geometric patterns all look amazing. Apply outdoor adhesive and press gems firmly into place. Allow 24 hours for adhesive to cure properly. I know it's tempting to rush this, but patience here pays off in durability. Mix grout and fill spaces between gems carefully. Clean excess grout with a damp sponge before it sets completely. Work in small sections to prevent the grout from hardening before you can clean it. These look like custom-made artistic stepping stones that you'd pay $50 each for at garden centers. The way they catch sunlight and sparkle is absolutely gorgeous, especially in the late afternoon when the sun hits them at that perfect angle. I made these with my daughter for a mother-daughter project, and now every visitor comments on our expensive custom pathway. She's so proud to tell them we made them together. It's become one of her favorite parts of showing people around our garden. These projects create such wonderful memories while beautifying our space. Project 7. Designer Garden Tool Organization Station. Let's tackle organization with this brilliant storage solution that will transform your garden maintenance routine and make your space look incredibly professional and well-maintained. From Dollar Tree, get a large plastic storage bin with lid for $1.25, PVC pipe pieces for dividers at $1.25, foam pool noodles for $1.25 each, Velcro strips for securing at $1.25, and weatherproof labels for $1.20. Cut PVC pipes to create vertical dividers in your bin. These create separate compartments for different types of tools. Slice pool noodles lengthwise for tool handle protection. This prevents scratching and extends tool life significantly. Install dividers with a tight fit to prevent shifting during transport. Add foam noodle sleeves to protect tool handles. Create labeled sections for different tool categories: hand tools, long-handled tools, watering equipment, and so on. Position near your garden beds for convenient access. Having everything organized and nearby makes gardening so much more enjoyable. This looks like those high-end garden tool organizers from expensive catalogs. Everything has its place, tools are protected, and it's completely weatherproof. No more searching for tools or finding them scattered around the yard. My husband used to constantly lose his gardening tools around the yard. Now everything has a designated spot, and our garden area looks so much more organized and professional. He actually enjoys putting tools away now because the system makes it so easy. Organization really does make everything more enjoyable. Project 8. Gorgeous Garden Mirror Illusion Feature. This next project creates the most amazing visual impact and will literally make your garden space appear twice as large while adding sophisticated depth that feels so luxurious. You'll need decorative mirrors in various sizes for $1.25 each, outdoor mounting adhesive for $1.25, weather sealant spray for $1.25, decorative frame elements for $1.25, and a level for proper installation at $1.25. Select a strategic fence or wall location for maximum impact. You want to catch reflections of your best plants and sky views. Arrange mirrors in an artistic cluster before permanent mounting. Play with different configurations until you find one that feels balanced and intentional. Apply weather sealant to all mirror backs for protection against moisture damage. Mount using outdoor adhesive, checking level carefully. Nothing ruins the illusion like crooked mirrors. Add decorative frame elements for a finished appearance that looks intentional and designed. Position plants strategically to reflect in the mirrors. This amplifies the visual impact and creates these gorgeous layered views that feel so sophisticated. The mirror illusion makes your garden space appear twice as large and adds such sophisticated depth. It reflects plants and sky beautifully, creating this luxury garden resort feeling that transforms the entire atmosphere of your outdoor space. Guests constantly ask about our garden room addition. They think we expanded our actual space. The mirrors create such a beautiful illusion that our small backyard feels like a grand estate garden. It's amazing how much perceived space you can add with strategic mirror placement. Project 9. Rustic Tiered Planter Display. Now I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous tiered planter display that looks like expensive farmhouse decor but costs almost nothing to make. From Dollar Tree, Grab 3 different sized round planters for $1.25 each, wooden plant stakes for $1.25 per pack, rope or twine for $1.25, outdoor wood stain for $1.25, and small plants or flowers for filling. Create your base structure by arranging planters in a pyramid formation. Use wooden stakes to create rustic supports between levels. Wrap with rope or twine for that authentic farmhouse look that's so popular right now. Apply outdoor wood stain to weatherproof your supports and give them that aged appearance. Fill each level with appropriate plants based on their light and water needs. Trailing plants work beautifully on the upper levels, while upright plants anchor the bottom tier. The key is varying heights and textures for maximum visual interest. This creates such a stunning focal point that looks like those expensive tiered planters from high-end garden catalogs. The rustic styling adds character and charm that feels both timeless and on-trend. When I first installed this, my neighbor asked where I bought my expensive farmhouse planter. She was shocked when I told her the total cost was under $15. Now she wants me to help her make one for her front porch. These projects really do bring the community together. Project 10. Elegant Solar Garden Accent Lighting. For our final project, we're creating elegant solar accent lighting that will highlight your best garden features and create beautiful nighttime ambiance without any electrical work required. You'll need solar stake lights for $1.25 each, decorative glass jars for $1.25 each, frosting spray for $1.25, decorative stones for $1.25 per bag, and outdoor adhesive for $1.20. Remove the top portion of your solar lights carefully. Frost your glass jars with the spray for a soft diffused light effect that looks so much more expensive than clear glass. Add decorative stones to the bottom of each jar for weight and visual interest. Secure the solar light top to your jar opening with outdoor adhesive. Position these strategically throughout your garden to highlight key features like your water feature, special plants, or pathway edges. The soft, diffused light creates such beautiful ambiance. These look exactly like those expensive solar lanterns from specialty lighting stores. The frosted glass creates this beautiful soft glow that transforms your garden into a magical evening destination. Since installing these, we spend so much more time in our garden after dark. There's something magical about sitting outside surrounded by these gentle lights. Friends always comment on how romantic and upscale our backyard feels in the evenings. I hope you're as excited as I am about these incredible transformations. Each of these 10 projects proves that you don't need a huge budget to create a garden space that looks professionally designed. My total investment for all 10 projects was under $50, and the results speak for themselves. If you love transforming your garden into a dream home space like I do, make sure to subscribe to Garden Homes and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest budget-friendly discovery. I'm constantly finding new ways to create expensive looks for less, and I can't wait to share them with you. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me which project you're trying first. I read every single comment and respond to as many as I can. Your feedback and questions help me create the content that's most helpful for your garden transformation journey. And if you try any of these projects, please share your results, tag us on social media, or leave a comment with your photos. I love seeing your unique takes on these ideas. Sometimes your variations inspire my next video. Thanks for spending time with us at Garden Homes, where we prove every day that beautiful gardens don't require beautiful budgets. Until next time, keep growing and keep creating.